What do you got, Hannah?
Puppy.
Let me see the puppy. Hold him up. Let me see him. Oh, how cute.
Who's this that way?
Libby.
What's his name?
Angel. Nemo.
That Nemo.
The white chin? That's a girl.
The white chin.
Hannah. See, I don't never do no
I
wrong.
do never do no wrong.
Romans
Romans
3:23.
3:23.
For all
For all
have sinned
have sinned
and fall short
and fall short
of the glory
of the glory
of God.
of God.
Amen.
Amen.
And well glory.
And real glory.
Bye-bye.
Bye.